on my improve myself, and then I want to continue doctor education next year, and then I want to get married next year, and then I want to have my own house, and then I want to harmonize family, and then I want to work to countries and abroad, and then I wanted to the best lecture at university countries and abroad, and then I wanted to improve my skill of English, and then I improve my skill and improve my stability financial, and then improve my self maybe, and then I want to go after the study year. I go to holiday Bali because I need refreshing in the self, and then I wanted to uh, go countries maybe, and then I then wanted to grow my family.